Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Genshin Impact. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Genshin Impact, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to genshin.hoyoverse.com. Here, at the top right, tap Official Site. You will be taken to the home page, so tap Login at the top right. You can log in using your email address, Google, Apple, Facebook, or Twitter accounts. In this video, I will be using my email address, so enter your email address. And enter the password for your account. If you forget your password, tap Forgot Password to reset it. When done, tap Login. And that's how you log in to Genshin Impact. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.